First family outing on the river. What river is this, Rob?
River Lee.
It's the River Lee. It's the River Lee. River Lee. As you can see, it is beautiful. Lots of boats around. We've only just started though. People are down there. Mummy's down there, Nanny's down there. Ahoy there, matey. I don't know if you can hear. You should be able to. There's a rave in the woods behind me, over there. So stop. Because we didn't know what was going on. Apparently, it's a rave in the woods. So we've got some minor technical difficulties. Rob's broke reverse. But I think he's going to fix it now. Still at the rave. Whatever that is. Doing a blog, haven't we? Hello!
7-year-old grandmother.
That's it. We're doing a rave. God knows. I don't know, long enough, I think.
Are you moving?
Yeah.
Trying to sort out reverse so we can get out of here, yeah.
You can hear it right over there, over the other side of the bridge.
Crazy.
Have you fixed it, Rob? To attempt our first lock manoeuvre. Let's see how it goes. So far so good. First lock.
Not far down there, so
We've got our protection as well.
breeze getting up and all.
Yeah, a bit of a breeze getting up as well. So it's nice. But yeah, all going well so far. Jack's not very happy. But we're getting there. It's a rave on a bike. Right. Off we go. Yeah. Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Right, we're just turning up to our first pub.
Yep.
Rob's about to kill someone's canoe.
Yep.
Yeah, and I'm going to jump out and see if I get wet. Really.
Hopefully you don't, eh?
Hopefully I don't.
Yeah.
It looks like a nice pub, doesn't it?
It is
Have a look.
nice. Vintage inns. Food is only served on glass top tables, which
Stop
is
us going.
unfair.
Chris, take us back there.